Customer touchpoint optimization. So this strategy focuses on improving individual customer interactions to enhance the overall customer experience. So this can involve refining website navigation, improving customer service, or enhancing in-store experiences. So by optimizing each touch point, businesses can create a more seamless and satisfying customer journey, leading to increased loyalty and positive brand perception. Then we have personalization strategies, and this stage involves tailoring marketing messages, product recommendations, and customer interactions to individual preferences. This can be achieved through data analysis, segmentation, and AI-driven technologies by delivering personalized experiences, so businesses can increase customer engagement, satisfaction, and conversion rates, fostering stronger connections and loyalty. Then we have customer empowerment. Customer empowerment strategies give customers control and influence over their interactions with the brand. So this can include self-service options, transparent information, and platforms for customer feedback and co-creation. Empowering customers enhances their experience, builds trust, and encourages loyalty by making them feel valued and heard. Then we have customer-centric culture. This strategy prioritizes and revolves around the needs and experiences of the customer. So this organization mindset focuses on delivering exceptional customer value and satisfaction at every level of the business. So cultivating customer-centric culture involves training employees, aligning processes, and incentivizing behaviors that enhance the customer experience, leading to a stronger customer relationships and business success. Predictive analytics for customer behavior. So this strategy uses data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data. This approach helps businesses anticipate customer needs, preferences, and actions, so enabling proactive marketing, personalized experiences, and better decision making. So by leveraging predictive analytics, companies can improve customer satisfaction, retention, and overall business performance.